How to sell limiteds on Roblox mobile. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can sell limiteds on Roblox mobile. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open your Roblox application, and here at the bottom right you'll be able to see an option that says more. So just click on more, and over here you're going to click on inventory. Now in inventory, you'll be able to see all of your accessories. So note that you need to have a premium account in order to sell limiteds. So here I only have a cat hat here right now, but if you have a couple of the inventory stuff with you, you'll be able to see them over here. So you can just scroll all the way till you find the specific limited editions. So for example, if this is limited, then you can just click on it, and once you click on it, you can check how many people have favorited it, and you can check the creator and type. So you can just click on these three dots over here, and if you have a premium account, you'll be able to see the option that says sell. So you can sell your limited inventory items if you have premium of Roblox. So here under favorite, you'll be able to see an option of sell. So you can just click on sell and set your market price for any amount of Robux you want to sell. And once you set a market price, you'll be able to see your remaining balance appear at the bottom of that. So after that, you can just sell your inventory and anyone can buy that. So that was basically how you can sell limiteds on Roblox mobile. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.